The British Industrial Revolution transforming a nation. Hello friends. Today, we take you back to a time when Britain was changing forever. A time when steam, steel, and machinery touched every part of life. This was an era when farmers and craftsmen left their homes to work in factories, shaping the world's first industrial power. The beginning of the Industrial Revolution. In the late 18th and early 19th centuries, Britain began its shift from an agricultural society to an industrial one. New machines, steam engines, and textile looms transformed daily life. This revolution wasn't just about factories, it changed society, work, and even the cities themselves. Factories and workers' lives. Inside the factories, workers labored for long hours. Children joined the workforce, and women faced new challenges. Conditions were tough, shifts were long. Yet hope and determination drove people to keep moving forward. Urban growth and infrastructure. Industrialization led to rapidly growing cities, with new housing, markets, and roads. Railways, bridges, and ports symbolized progress. Transportation improved, trade expanded, and communities connected like never before. Innovation and impact. The Industrial Revolution didn't only bring economic and social change. It laid the foundations for science, education, and technology. It was the period that positioned Britain as the global industrial leader. Summary. Emotional ending. The Industrial Revolution transformed every aspect of daily life. Farmers, craftsmen, and ordinary people all contributed to building a new world. This was an era of hard work, innovation, and hope. An era that changed not just Britain, but the course of human history. Closing. This documentary is more than just information. It is a tribute to the people, the machines, and the spirit of progress, reminding us how determination and innovation can shape the world.